Hi, I'm Chloe. Welcome to my crib. So, first of all, this is my side. I love how I was able to decorate it just how I like. I made it like all my personal accents. Like, I'm from Rhode Island, so I chose to do like a little beachy theme up here with hydrangeas and stuff. Side table, I have a ton of organization over here. I chose to loft it just to have all that extra organization. I met my roommate through Instagram. We actually met through the UNH Instagram page. We both had our own little post, and she found me first actually. And she DM'd me, she's like, hey, like you look super sweet. I think we'd get along really well. So I'm like, yeah, why not? And we were talking from there, like, yeah, we should definitely be roommates. Our theme, we kind of just figured out that we both love plants. We both, I don't know, love like this subtle, like simplistic kind of look. So we just thought it worked out great. My roommate brought the fridge, I brought the microwave, I brought the Swiffer, she brought the vacuum. It was very equal, and I think it just makes everything much easier. When people walk in my room, the first thing they notice is how big it is, how spacious, how homey. I feel like it's an exact replica of our rooms at home. So it's not that dorm feel. It feels very much like we're at home. The things that make it feel like home are definitely my pictures over here of all my family, my friends on the wall. I love my cat pillow. It's my cat Binks. This also makes me feel like at home. I love him so much, and it's ginormous, so it feels like I'm cuddling a big version of my cat. It's really important that you get something like this, like these cubes or something like drawers, because you will need it. And just for it to look really organized, neat, and clean, you need organization. Thanks for stopping by.